In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your self-hosted n8n account. If you've been locked out, need to change the primary owner, or just want to start fresh with user access, this quick reset will get you back in. We'll keep it simple and clear, so you know exactly what's happening at each step. First, open a terminal on the machine where your self-hosted n8n is running. I'm using PowerShell here, but any terminal that can run n8n commands works fine. The key is that you're executing commands in the same environment where n8n is installed and has access to its data. If you're not sure, use the same user account or session you used to set up n8n originally. Next, terminate your self-hosted n8n instance. In other words, make sure n8n is not actively running when you perform the reset. Stopping the instance prevents conflicts and ensures the reset applies cleanly. Whether n8n is running as a background service, a local process, or inside a container, bring it to a full stop before proceeding. Give it a moment to shut down completely so there are no open connections. With n8n stopped, you're ready to trigger the reset. In your terminal, type the command n8n user management, reset, and press enter. This command resets the user management state of your self-hosted instance. In practical terms, it clears out existing user accounts and returns n8n to its initial onboarding state. It does not reset your entire server or delete your workflows and credentials, but it will remove the users tied to access. Think of it as wiping the slate clean for sign-in, while leaving the rest of your setup intact. Once the command completes, go ahead and start your n8n self-host again. As it comes back online, you'll notice it behaves just like a fresh installation from a user perspective. When you open the n8n interface, it will prompt you to create a new account. This new account becomes the primary owner for the instance and will have full access. Choose a strong password, store it securely, and make sure you only share access with people who need it. And that's all there is to it. You opened a terminal, stopped the running instance, ran the reset command, and then started n back up to create a brand new account. If everything looks good and you can sign in with your new credentials, you're done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly reset your self-hosted n8n account with confidence.